Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm presented with my new video, that is Armadillos. So without wasting our time, let's talk about them. Can you imagine an animal covered in armor from head to toe, like a medieval knight? Meet the armadillo. The word armadillo means little armored one in Spanish. Armadillos are round creatures with short legs. They are about the size of a small dog. They have strong curved claws, and yes, their bodies are covered with armor. This armor is made of hard plates or scales connected by bands that stretch. If they didn't stretch, the armadillo would have great difficulty moving around. The armor helps protect the armadillo from its enemies. But its main job is to protect the armadillo from being cut and scratched by thorns and cactuses that grows where it lives. Central and South America are home to many kinds of armadillo. There you will find the pitchy armadillo, Burmester's armadillo, and the pink fairy armadillo. You will also find the giant armadillo, which is nearly 1.5 meters long. One species, the nine-banded armadillo, is found in Texas and the several other US states. Armadillos cannot see very well and are almost toothless. They hunt mostly at night and eat insects and worms, soft roots and fruits, and occasionally dead animals as well. When enemies appear, the armadillo usually runs away into the tough undergrowth, where its predators can't follow. Sometimes the armadillo will jump straight into the air to scare its enemies. As a last resort, it will roll itself up into a hard ball. You may not believe it, but armadillos are very good swimmers. They stay afloat by swallowing a lot of air. In fact, under all that armor, armadillos are full of surprises. Let's talk some facts about armadillos. So, starting with fact number 1. The word armadillo means little armored one in Spanish. Number 2. Armadillos are omnivores. Number 3. Armadillos can live for 5 to 10 years. Number 4. Armadillo's scientific name is Dasypodida. Number 5. The nine-banded armadillo can live for 12 to 15 years. Number 6. Armadillos hate the cold. Number 7. Armadillos can smell things which can be 20 centimeters below the ground. Number 8. The giant armadillo sleeps for 18 hours a day. Number 9. Armadillos are some of the only animals that get the disease leprosy. The common nine-banded armadillo is used in studies of the disease leprosy. So friends, here's the end of the video. Please watch more videos of my channel. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.